Everybody's talking about AI. So if you want to make money with AI, so this is your chance basically. So today we are going to discuss about the lead capture and CRM integration AI assistant, which will basically capture the lead and then it will be integrated into the CRM, which is we are using Airtable here. So let me go through the voice flow basics once. So we have built this workflow. You need to publish this workflow in order to be used at the client side. If you're making any changes, then also you need to publish. I'll publish it live in front of you. This is transcript section, analytics. You can check basically total interactions, unique users, total credit usage and tool usage. In settings, there are multiple settings available: general, behavior, environment, secrets, backups, API keys. In integrations, you can basically use Airtable, 11 Labs, Gmail, Google Sheets, Twilio, Make, etc. Let's quickly go to the workflow section again. So what this AI agent is doing is that if user wants to gain weight, or user wants to gain muscle, or user wants to lose weight, so based on that it will ask the user the questions and then basically calculate the BMI, and we are going to provide a free course. So let me just quickly run through it so you will get to know how this AI agent is working. And you can also create this AI agent in 5 minutes and then sell to clients, and you can make money today. So I am too skinny, though I'm not. So the agent replied, it's clear that you want to gain muscle and improve your health. The best way to build muscle is to exercise and eat a lot of protein. What is your current weight and what is your desired weight? So based on your current weight of 130 and this, you should consume approximately 150 to 165 grams of protein per day to optimize muscle gain, and I have the perfect meal plan to help you reach your goal efficiently. Enter your info so I can forward your free course to aid you in your muscle gain challenge. So this basically you can provide to fitness coaches, whoever fitness basically you will provide to fitness coaches, so they can use this AI agent to know more about their user, and then basically they can provide a free course, and then basically also provide the maybe 3 days free plan. So it's up to you how you are going to deliver it to client. I said okay, and then it is asking for my name. My name is topg@gmail.com. Do not try to send emails on this mail because it's not real. So awesome. Just to confirm, your name is topg and your email is topg@gmail.com. So I click on yes. It is just confirmation box, and then great, you will receive an email with your plan shortly. So you'll quickly go to the Airtable section in the lead capture and CRM demo. If you can see, let me refresh it once. So okay, so basically name is topg, email topg@gmail.com, email status have we sent it or not. So basically it's false. So basically it will be integrated into your Airtable section once the user provides the information from the agent. So now how you can build this workflow in just 5 minutes. So in the start, so this is where basically it's getting started, and from here basically you need to basically just click on this message box. Hi, how can I help you with your physical needs? So this is your message box created by your Infinovate AI. You go check out your infinovateai.com website. Here we provide all the AI services, and basically we are also providing the customized agents, AI agents, which basically we will solve problems, not just providing the service and like other SaaS agents. We are basically providing the customized agents. After that this is the capture block. So whatever the user will enter, it will be captured in this last utterance. So what you can do, you can go to listen, capture, and then basically drag and drop here, and then save entire reply to from here onwards. From here you can choose entire user reply, and then basically last utterance I have selected. You can also create variable, and you can also create the variable, for example user question, and then you can use that variable here as well. Then you need to do logic, and then basically you need to go to set, and then here you need to go to prompt section, and then we'll create the prompt. So I have already created the prompt for the gain or loss, so I'm not going to do it. Let me delete it. So let me show you quickly the prompt and how you can use the prompting. So this is the prompt section. This is the set block for the voice flow. Here basically you can provide the prompt, and then basically the output will be saved to this variable, gain or loss. You can create any new variable, and you can name it anything you want, gain or loss. I have named it as gain or loss. Now let's quickly go through the gain or loss prompt. So system prompt is your user query analysis expert. You are meant to analyze the user's message and determine whether they need help losing weight or gaining muscle. So identify if the user wants to lose weight or gain muscle based on the query. If the user wants to lose weight, reply only with loss. If the user wants to gain weight, reply only with gain. You should only reply with loss or gain. So obviously if the AI agent should not reply anything apart from loss or gain. And then after that, for example, let's suppose I can run it. You can test it as well. You can test each and every single step. I'm too skinny, so what you see, if I replied, if I run, it will say me gain, so that means I need to gain weight, my own muscle. Then we need to use the if block. So it's very simple. Then basically go to logic, if condition, and then let me show you. So basically, if gain or loss variable, so we have the output gain or loss to this variable. If gain variable is loss, then it's basically we are going to redirect the user to the section where they want to lose weight, and then we'll provide a free course according to the user requirement at that is lose weight. If they want to gain weight, for example, gain or loss is gain, then we are going to redirect the user to the basically where they want to gain weight, and we'll provide the course accordingly. So from here onwards, this will be kind of duplicate for the gain weight section. For the gain weight logic, there is only one change which I'll quickly cover later on. So let's suppose the user said I want to lose weight. It's great that you want to lose weight and improve your health. So what is your current weight and height and weight, and what do you want to get to? So then after that, again we are going to use the capture block, and then we are going to save the entire reply to the last reference section. And then here again we have used the set prompt section, and then if I click this, I have given the prompt name as calculate BMI. Go to prompt section. So here I have given this prompt for calculating the BMI. You are an expert BMI calculator. Your job is to calculate the user's BMI based on their current height and weight. So you can read this prompt section for the system, and for the user, calculate the user's BMI based on the information they provide in the message, which is last reference. And then basically you need to, again, this is a message block. Your BMI is, then I have done like this BMI, and then choose a variable name, and then enter your info so I can forward your free course to aid you in your weight loss journey. Again, this is message block, which you can go here and just drag and drop. I'll delete this quickly. And then from here you can go to listen, and then go to buttons, and then you can add buttons. So these are the buttons. So if the users, basically we can add the button from here. Click on this, and you can OK, and then you can remove that. And I have added two buttons, OK, no thanks. So if user clicks on OK, so if you can see, this is going to the next block. So again, this is message block. Again, this is what is your name block, and then you need to save your entire reply to the name section with basically using this entire user reply, and then you can use name section here. After the name, I am asking the user for, the agent is asking the user for email. So again, this is message block, what is your email. Then again, this is a capture block where you can choose entire user reply and then save entire email reply to this email variable. After that, user enters their email address, and then awesome, just to confirm, your name is this and your email is this, which we have seen in the live example when I ran this agent. So after that, there are two buttons, yes, no. Again, I have explained already how to add buttons. If user clicks yes, then another message block will be there, like great, you will receive an email with your plan shortly. And then what you can do, then this is the last one, which you can, where you are integrating or sending the API request to the Airtable, which is a kind of CRM support platform for us. So here you need to select the post request, how you need to add this, how you need to find this post request. Go to your Airtable, go to this help section, go to this API documentation, and then go to authentication, and then you need to click on create tokens here first, and then create new token, then add the token name, and then add all these scopes, and then add your base name. For me, it's lead capture and CRM demo, which we have seen. Once this person access token is created, go to the documentation again, and then go to lead capture table, create records, and then here you will find this request. So this is post request. So here you need to pick this link, and then go back to the voice flow and then paste it here. Content type, again go back to the documentation, so you need to add these two headers: authorization, content type, authorization bearer, then you whatever token you created, so you need to paste it here, and then content type is application/json. So these two headers I had with content type and application/json, or authorization bearer, then this is a token. And then you need to choose a body raw here, and then you need to keep this JSON only, and then from there you need to add this fields names. Go to this Airtable section, Airtable documentation section again, and then basically you need to copy from here and then till before this semicolon, before this single quote, sorry, and then just copy and just paste it in the voice loop back. So you need to keep one single field block, and then name section. This name should be the Airtable table column name. Let me go back to my table column name, sorry, Airtable, and then if you see name, email, status is here. So if it's capital, you need to provide it as it is. If it's small, then you need to provide it as it is, otherwise it will not work. Then name, email, then whatever variable names we have created, we need to provide it in the curly braces. As of now we are familiar how to add variables, emails, and then status I have kept it as by default false. So this is how you integrate CRM as well. So this is the agent. You can build it in 5 minutes, and then you can provide it to clients, and then you can maybe sell it to the fitness coaches, and then you can make money right away. For the muscle gain calculator, there is only one difference, and which is we have used here the set prompt section. I have shown you set prompt section, but in this I have used this normal prompt section. So what is the difference? Difference is that if basically whatever output is there, it will not be going to be saved in the variable. This is the only difference in set prompt and this normal prompt section. So after that, if user agrees, let me show you muscle gain calculator prompt section as well quickly. So this is the muscle gain prompt section, so you can read it how basically it is calculating the basically muscle protein section, how much the user needs to take the protein. And then if user clicks OK, then again we will redirect to the awesome, what is your name. If user says no thanks, then basically we'll say okay, no problem, good luck, and then basically you can choose the end here. So this is the end section. Let me show you how to choose that. So for example, here you need to go to action and then end. That's it. Okay, so now coming on to the last part, how you need to deliver to the client. For example, go to share prototype. Before we deliver to the client, you need to publish it. So let me publish it. You need to name it as maybe current version is v1, v2, v0, it's up to you. So let me publish it. So it is publishing. So it is very simple. So, and these are new tools available. You can integrate with make.com, and then you can automate reminders, capture the email, and then you can send automated reminder emails. You can do anything basically. So this agent is live now. So let me show you how to deliver to clients. For example, share prototype. So what you can do, you can open a new tab, and then when you will copy the link and paste it to the client for demo, then basically this page will be appearing to the client. So when you have been invited to have a conversation with lead capture and CRM integration prototype, you can give a good name for the context. I have just given it for the demo purpose. So let me click on the start conversation. So again, this will be basically asking the same questions as we designed in the workflow. Now this part you are concerned about, I agree that conversation by voice flow. So this we can remove it. Let me go back. So remove branding. So basically you need to buy voice flow. This is a paid feature. Upgrade to a paid plan to access this feature. Either you can run the free versions. Free you will get, I guess, free 7 days trial. You can do that and then remove branding, and then basically use this for 7 days, and then you can build it again. If you go to appearance, then you can change the appearance as well, what color you want to choose, maybe black, blue, whatever, it's up to you. Here, from here onwards, you can say copy link. Your agent isn't fully trained, so we can train it, that's not an issue. Now how to integrate in websites. So if you go to interfaces, go to widget, then there is this script section, and then we can copy it, and then we can easily integrate it in the website. So this is just modality, interface, appearance and style. You can change the color, you can change this logo here, you can change basically you can modify the interface. Then there is a security section, you can play around with that. So this is how you build lead capture in CRM integration. I have built it for fitness coaches, you can build it for anything. So this is very simple. Build it in 5 minutes, spend some time, and then start outreaching and then make some money.